Unpacking Constitutional Norm, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that lies at the heart of law and governance but is equally intriguing for English language learners: constitutional norm. If you're curious about how countries operate at their core, or if you're just passionate about expanding your English vocabulary and understanding, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning and significance of constitutional norms together. Before we delve into the whole phrase, let's break it down, starting with constitutional. The word constitutional relates to a constitution, which is a fundamental set of principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is governed. When we say something is constitutional, it means it is in accordance with the Constitution. The Constitution is like the rule book for a country's governance, outlining what is allowed and what isn't. Next, let's look at the word norm. A norm refers to a standard or a pattern of social behavior that is typical or expected within a society. In a broader sense, norms can be seen as guidelines or rules that dictate how individuals are supposed to act in public or private spaces. Norms aren't always written down. Many are unwritten social rules we follow without even thinking. Now, when we combine these two words into the phrase constitutional norm, we're referring to practices or standards that, while not explicitly mentioned in a country's constitution, have become an accepted part of political or governmental operations over time. These are behaviors, traditions, or practices that, although not written into the Constitution, are followed because they align with the Constitution's spirit or have been established through long-standing usage. Constitutional norms play a crucial role in shaping the behavior of political entities and ensuring the smooth operation of a country's governance systems. They fill in the gaps that the written constitution might not specifically address, guiding the conduct of officials and citizens alike. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples of constitutional norms. 1. Respect for political opposition. In many democratic countries, even though the Constitution may not explicitly state it, there is a norm that political parties respect the role and rights of the opposition parties, allowing them to function freely and without undue interference. 2. Judicial independence. Another common constitutional norm is the independence of the judiciary. While the Constitution will outline this separation of powers to some extent, the deep respect for judicial independence goes beyond what is written, ensuring that judges can make decisions free from political pressure. 3. Peaceful transition of power. This is a norm where, after an election, the current leader or party in power peacefully hands over control to the winning party. This practice is crucial for the stability of a democracy and is respected even though it might not be detailed in the Constitution. Understanding constitutional norm helps us appreciate the complexity and depth of how societies and governments function. These norms are pivotal in ensuring that not just the letter, but also the spirit of the law is honored, filling the gaps between written rules and everyday practices. We hope this video has shed some light on this intricate topic and enriched your English learning journey. Remember, learning a language opens doors to understanding cultures and concepts far and wide. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.